Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast of Watertown, or 10 miles northwest of Smithville, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Smithville, Alexandria, Dowelltown, Liberty, and Auburntown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. You rattle